Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Custom Buys. Today we're going to be replacing a lot of suspension components on the B15, so follow me. So here I have some of the components we're going to be replacing on the Sentra. For example, we got the two front KYB's shocks. These are the XLG. We got a set of lower spring from tie-ins. These are the Aztec, and we're going to be replacing, like we have here, these are Siberian bushings for the sway bar, front sway bar. We got our front sway bar links from Y Lines, which I really recommend this one. We have a bunch of a set of Duralast new tie rods, tie rod end, the other one, and we have for last a new set of front upper mounts. These are the same ones. I am not going to replace the rear struts because the previous owner replaced them before I bought the car, so they are still in pretty good shape, so I'm gonna keep them. I'm just gonna use the lower springs from tie-ins, and as far as upper mounts for the rear struts, they're also in good shape, so I'm gonna reuse them. And when it comes to the sway bar, I got bigger plans for the future, since I'm going to be upgrading the sway bar for the 2JR sway bar 25mm. So we're not going to do that right now, or we're going to take care of the minimum stuff. Mostly we're going to replace a big percentage of the front suspension. So and second thing we're going to do is measure first impression by number. Alright, so we got here from the tire to the fender we got 2.5 inches. Now remember, we are supposed to get down on the front about 1 inch, 1.3 inches of drop. Let's see how we achieve that. And on the back we got a total of 3 inches, exactly right there. Now with the springs we're supposed to get 1.1 inches of drop, so more or less we got an idea. Alright guys, the guard is back on its wheels. Let's see how it looks. As promised, we're gonna see the results by numbers. And the front we got right now a little bit less than 2 inches, which was not exactly what I was expecting, but at least we dropped like ½ inch. And on the back we got exactly 2 inches right now, which that's a whole inch that we dropped on the back, which is really good. Alright, it's gonna be basically it for this video. Hope you like it. And if you do, subscribe, like it, comment, whatever you want to do. Just let me know if you like it, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.